Java Topics. Welcome to RGR Programming Hub YouTube channel. Java Variables. Variables are containers for storing data values. In Java, there are different types of variables. For example, string stores text, such as hello. String values are surrounded by double quotes. Int stores integers, whole numbers, without decimals, such as 123 or -123. Float stores floating point numbers, with decimals, such as 19.99 or -19.99. Char stores single characters, such as A or B. Char values are surrounded by single quotes. Boolean stores values with two states, true or false. Declaring, creating, variables. To create a variable, you must specify the type and assign it a value. Where type is one of Java's types, such as int or string, and variable name is the name of the variable, such as x or name. The equal sign is used to assign values to the variable. To create a variable that should store text, look at the following example. To create a variable that should store a number, look at the following example. You can also declare a variable without assigning the value, and assign the value later. Note that if you assign a new value to an existing variable, it will overwrite the previous value. Final variables. If you don't want others, or yourself, to overwrite existing values, use the final keyword. This will declare the variable as final or constant, which means unchangeable and read-only. Other types. A demonstration of how to declare variables of other types. Java print variables. Display variables. The println method is often used to display variables. To combine both text and a variable, use the plus character. You can also use the plus character to add a variable to another variable. For numeric values, the plus character works as a mathematical operator. Notice that we use int, integer, variables here. From the example above, you can expect x stores the value 5. Y stores the value 6. Then we use the println method to display the value of x plus y, which is 11. Java declare multiple variables. Declare many variables. To declare more than one variable of the same type, you can use a comma-separated list. One value to multiple variables. You can also assign the same value to multiple variables in one line. Java identifiers. Identifiers. All Java variables must be identified with unique names. These unique names are called identifiers. Identifiers can be short names, like x and y, or more descriptive names. Age, sum, total volume. Note, it is recommended to use descriptive names in order to create understandable and maintainable code. The general rules for naming variables are: names can contain letters, digits, underscores, and $signs. Names must begin with a letter. Names should start with a lowercase letter and it cannot contain whitespace. Names can also begin with $ and underscore, but we will not use it in this tutorial. Names are case-sensitive. myvar and myvar are different variables. Reserved words, like Java keywords, such as int or Boolean, cannot be used as names. Java data types. As explained in the previous chapter, a variable in Java must be a specified data type. Data types are divided into two groups. Primitive data types includes byte, short, int, long, float, double, Boolean and char. Non-primitive data types, such as string, arrays and classes. You will learn more about these in a later chapter. Primitive data types. A primitive data type specifies the size and type of variable values, and it has no additional methods. There are 8 primitive data types in Java. Thanks for watching.